Whether you want to reenact a bad guy scene from a movie or to safely store a firearm under a desk or a counter, you need to take a look at this. In this video, we're looking at the biometric safe by Dalmbox. A few weeks ago, we looked at some affordable storage options for the nightstand. This one is for the office or a desk. After playing with their bedside safe, I reached out to the company and they sent me this, their biometric under the desk safe. Like others, you have three ways of opening. First, you can enter a 4-digit combination code. Second, you can use your fingerprint. Or third, you can use the included keys. The safe is made out of steel and it's designed to be hung up from underneath a desk. This could be a computer desk, it could be a counter, or even in the closet. The safe needs to have enough clearance beneath it as it is going to be a drop-free design. When you get it, it'll come packaged in a fairly secure box and it'll come with this mounting bracket which will let you mount it to either side. It's also going to come with mounting screws, a set of batteries, and 2 emergency keys. Do note you do not want to store the emergency keys inside the safe, as if the batteries die, you're going to be SOL. When you receive it, you'll want to use the emergency keys to open up the safe so that you can install the batteries. Now, since my hands are freezing, I'm just going to enter the combination, which I already programmed, 1, 2, 2, and it's going to drop free. Now, the safe is not going to come with a firearm, and it is not loaded. So, on top, inside, you're going to find 2 things. Now, it's going to be a little bit tough to see in this video, so I'll include a picture. Inside, you're going to have the battery compartment, and then you're going to have the reset button. The battery compartment is covered by the door, and it's going to be fairly easy to open. Insert the 4 included AA batteries and close the cover, and you're going to hear the safe turn on. The default combination is 1, 2, 3, 4, so you will most certainly want to change that. With the safe open, press and hold the reset button until you hear 2 beeps. Then release the button and enter any 4-digit combination, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's going to beep twice, then enter it again. Bam, and then you are going to be done. At this point, the code is going to be set. If there's an issue, you'll hear 5 beeps, at which point you can re-enter and try again. So let's try that, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then bam, it just opens up. Now, to set up a fingerprint, you follow the same process. Press and hold the button inside until you hear the 2 beeps. Then release the button, place your finger till you hear the beep, and then boom, you're going to be done. So let's try that. And then bam, it's going to open it up. Once you hear the 2 beeps, remove your fingerprint and you're done. If there is an issue, once again, you will hear 5 beeps. Now, what I really like about the safe is that you can put it into silent mode, as the keypad is fairly loud. So loud that my wife started reading me the riot act when I was first setting the safe up in the basement, and she was upstairs. To put it into silent mode, press and hold the 1 key for 3 seconds. Bam, it stopped blinking. You can hear that's fine. Now, to turn the sound back on, repeat the procedure. So press and hold the 1 key for 3 seconds. And then you hear the sound. Overall, this is a pretty nice storage container for safely storing a home defensive pistol. You can mount it under a desk, inside a kitchen counter, or in a closet. If you're a store owner, you can easily mount this underneath the counter as well. You have a nice padded compartment, and it's going to be able to hold most standard size handguns, so everything from the smallest to full-size handguns. The only firearm I had slight issues with was a long slide double stack 2011. However, I might make it work if I play with the foam a little bit. If you're storing something like a full-size Glock, you're not going to have any issues. What I have here is the Taurus G3C with the red dot, and there are no issues here whatsoever. Overall, for the money, this is a good value, and you can find more information in the description below. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Keep on squatting, and I'll see you in the next video linked up here.